What's going on? If you're watching this video, you want to buy some NFT art finance token, and this is a video for you. I'm just going to go through how I buy this token, and I think it's the simplest, easiest, fastest way to do that, especially if you want to avoid these other scams or other coins or whatever. NFT art token is definitely one that I am buying. I have bought and I will continue to buy in the future. It's a project that I trust. Before we get into that, my name is Aaron, and I am a brand new crypto investor. I started in December. I have a background in marketing and in theology, and now I'm just entering into this crypto world. I call it the Wild West. It's just crazy time, and I think now is the best time to invest in something called NFT art finance. It's this token in the NFT space, non-fungible token space. It is exploding. I'm not going to go and explain those. You could kind of do your own research. There's better people that describe this stuff better. I'm just going to show you how I buy this the easiest and I think fastest way. Before we get started, I want to show you exactly why NFT art finance. Just really briefly, it's number 2 on the most viewed cryptocurrencies on market cap. And the reason why that's important is, like I said, I'm a background in marketing. I know the value of attention and trust, and it looks like it's got a lot of attention, and it has the ability to gain a lot of trust. And so, in at least in marketing, if you have attention, you could drive. You could make things happen. Things start opening up for you, and it's the number 2 most viewed on here. And the charts seem pretty good. Look at it. We had this huge spike, and then now it's dropped down and consolidating. And you could see these big volatile swings, and now it's really consolidating, especially in the last 7 days. We see this here. This move, this sideways trading move, it's consolidating, and most people think that it'll either shoot up from here or shoot down. There's not a lot of room to shoot down, and so especially after this refinable token fiasco and fraud and all that stuff, I think it'll shoot up. I think that was its biggest competitor. I like this project to do that. Anyway, let's get right into how I buy this refinable token. So you're gonna need something called this little trust wallet. It's an app. You could download it. Totally trustable, totally dependable. Don't share your seed phrase with anyone. You go into here. And this is actually my personal wallet. I'm going to show you my wallet. I'm very open and transparent with everything. If you appreciate my openness and transparency with my wallet, like, it's very personal, right? This is how much money I have. Like, this, you can measure me and judge me based on you. Like, I don't have a lot, right? And I might have more than some people, and I definitely have less than a lot of people. But if you're getting into the crypto space with $25, dude, there's no shame. Just get into it. With $25, you could do a lot of damage with that if you trade, wisely and all that stuff. Anyway, as you can see, I personally have invested in NFT art finance. I'm not trying to hype up a coin. No one talked to me about it. I like the project. And so here's what we do. You get this thing. If you have an Android, you probably already have this button at the bottom called browser. If you have an iPhone, it's probably not there if it's your first time. So what you have to do is you have to put in a link in your browser. I think it's http:// like browser/enabled/trust or something like that. The link is in the description. I'll put that there. Just hit that if you don't have this browser and open it up, and you'll have PancakeSwap. And so when you do that, you go to PancakeSwap, and you're here. Make sure your wallet is connected at the top right, and make sure on the top left hand side you see that little black circle. Make sure that is BNB Smart Chain. That black circle is there. Now, obviously, before you do this, we have to make sure that you have enough BNB, which is this black token right here, Smart Chain. How to get that is you get BNB in here. You have your BNB, and you send it. You could either buy it in here, or you could buy it on another exchange like crypto.com or Binance, and then send that BNB here over into this Smart Chain. And all you have to do is swap it with the DEX. So like if you have like BNB here, you take this, you take it, and then you max it 100%. Boom. Or not 100%. You're probably gonna want to do like 80%, because you're gonna want definitely some gas prices. You want some BNB Smart Chain for gas prices. Anyway, once you have swapped, then you have this black BNB. It's called Smart Chain. Go into your browser, hit PancakeSwap, make sure it's black up there, make sure your wallet's connected on the top right. Sorry, I'm getting a lot of comments here. And then, so currently right now, PancakeSwap is in between like versions. So you might have to go to version 1 or version 2 right here at the bottom. I prefer version 1 because it's the old one. It's probably less buggy. In the future, if you're watching this maybe like a month from now, version 2 might be working. So what you're going to do now is you're going to swap your BNB which is yellow here, but it's black at the top. And I know I told you to get the black one. Trust me, this is still the black one. So it's how like Trust Wallet determines what is smart chain. Just trust me on this one. So you're gonna take that BNB and leave it there, and then in here you're gonna search NFT finance, and you could search anything else now, or art finance. Now here's a problem with a new coin. They typically don't have it listed already here. So what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to find the contract address. There's a couple different ways to do that. The first way is to just go on Twitter, and then just search around for the NFT art finance, and make sure it's their official Twitter. You don't want to be buying some scam. I've already done that. Trust me, you don't want to do that. Check out my check out my thing on that on that. And then here's your website. Here's all your links. Twitter is usually a good spot to find their token address, and this is their official what's that called? Their official website. I don't see it initially on here. You got to do a little searching. I'm sure it's on their Telegram. So if we maybe search up and we go to their Telegram, view in Telegram, open. We could go through some of the stuff here. Let's see if we could find it here. You just kind of got to search. I guess it's not working. I'm not sure. This is part of the game. Here's a shortcut though. I created a little coin poo book, and so I have NFT art finance here. So here's the actual contract. I wanted to show you how you find a contract though. It's not really that intuitive. These guys are all over the place with this kind of stuff. So once you copy that, you bring it back over into your Trust Wallet, back into PancakeSwap. You got to find the currency and paste that wallet address in here. Boom, we found it. Bam. And we know that's the real one because I like I said, I already have some. So now you got to just buy. So I would not buy max because you won't have enough smart chain BNB to make the transaction go through. I would buy a little less than that. So say I have enough for 1.7. I'm probably going to buy like 1.5, and then you'll see the number adjust here, and then you hit swap. If that won't work, make sure that your slippage tolerance is set to 12. Maybe a quick description on what slippage is. Let's say a coin, let's say you have $100. You want to buy $100 worth of NFT art finance. Now, say you have $1 to spend, okay? And you set your slippage to 12%. That means that is the rate, the way of which, how much you are allowed to buy, how much you are allowing PancakeSwap to buy, because the price is so volatile. So that means if the price goes up to $1.12, you'll buy. Within the time I hit swap and confirm swap and all that stuff. If the price goes to $1.13, because my slippage is at 12%, I will not buy. It won't go through. So make sure you adjust that slippage to 12% because these tokens, especially these small microcap tokens, are so volatile. That's kind of, that's what you're doing. And if it doesn't work, like before it was 11% for SafeMoon, now it's 12%. It might be 13% because of the volatility. So just kind of play around with that. And if it doesn't go through, if keeps giving you error messages, you got to keep trying. Switch to version 1, switch to version 2, adjust the slippage, keep trying, keep going. For whatever reason, I mean, I'm no genius. I don't know how this works, but if you want this that bad, you'll find a way. It's not that hard. You'll probably get it in the first 3 or 4 tries. Anyway, that's pretty much it. If this was helpful to you, if you're a generous person, if you want to, if you like giving back, please, I ask you to hit the like button. If you want to follow along my journey long term, go ahead and hit subscribe. I really appreciate all the comments and all the subscriptions that are coming through. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Wish you the best in NFT art finance, and I'll talk to you on the moon.